You won't believe that this pile of dirt is worth more than a luxury car.
It starts here. Raw, rough, and unpolished. Precision is key. We need exactly 1,000 grams. A pinch of flux is added to remove impurities during melting.
The mixture goes into a graphite crucible, ready for the heat.
At 1,000 degrees, gold turns into dangerous, boiling liquid fire. Don't blink!
The induction furnace ramps up to over 1,000 degrees Celsius.
The solid metal begins to surrender to the heat.
Within minutes, it becomes a pool of liquid fire. Stirring ensures the consistency is perfect.
Removing the final impurities from the surface.
We hit the melting point. It's ready to pour.
This is the most satisfying pour you will ever see in your life.
The mold is preheated to prevent thermal shock.
Steady hands lift the molten treasure.
This is the moment of truth.
Watch as the liquid turns back into solid metal.
The ingot is released. A sudden water bath cools it down instantly.
Watch how we turn this dull metal into a shining mirror in seconds.
It's solid gold, but it looks dull and oxidized.
A chemical bath reveals the true yellow color.
The rolling mill smooths out the rough surface. Trimming the edges for a perfect geometric shape.
We verify the purity. 99.99% pure gold.
Polishing brings out the mirror-like finish.
.001. Perfect. Double checking the weight. Perfect.
And finally, the $1 million stamp that makes it official.
Now for the branding.
Hundreds of tons of pressure in a split second.
The mark of quality is permanently engraved. Touched only by white gloves. Flawless and from dust to a dynasty. This is investment-grade gold.